Firstly, let's place 2 green O-rings on the collect, tightening the collect, and install the nozzle. Then sharpen the tungsten electrode. The last step, put the tungsten electrode through the collect body, insert the welding torch and screw the cap. Please attention, tungsten electrode should expose 1 to 2 mm of the nozzle. When use the glass nozzle welding bead is very clear to see. The clear welding bead can bring customer more convenience and better experience. ANDELI welder, professional in welding.